alaikum everyone. Right now I'm at Malibag Karamutia High School, which is located Malibag, Barpara, Bondor, Naranganj. Today I come at Malibag Karamutia High School for a special reason. Yesterday I was talking with my favorite teacher, Honorable Nijan sir. I told sir, I need one class 9 math board books. Sir said me, Momin Hussain, come to Malibag and take this book from me. That's why I came here at Malibag Karamutia High School. Alhamdulillah, I already received these books from my honorable favorite teacher, Nijan sir. Alhamdulillah, I would like to especially thank to my honorable teacher, Nijan sir, for giving me new books to practice my math. I truly grateful. I don't want to make it more longer because I have to go to teach my private student. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.